Yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another banger on the channel. It has been a little bit of a while since we posted a POV drive, but today we're gonna go crazy. We're gonna go do some pulls and floor this thing and show you guys exactly what this 4-cylinder Camry got. But before we get into anything, let me let you guys know, no, I do not think this Camry is something insane. I did something stupid. I made this thing fully catless. It's tuned. It has headers. It has exhaust, intake. It's fully catless. I know it's something crazy, but I want to show you guys exactly how it sounds, which, in my personal opinion, after how long I've had the car, I feel like it sounds terrible, and I want to put it back to stock ASAP. But since we did it, and based off all the last videos I posted on this car, I want to show you guys, but we have not floored it or done anything quote-unquote crazy. But with this 200 horsepower car, that's 200 horsepower stock, nothing's going to be crazy, you know, but we're gonna go ahead and do it in case anybody does want to see exactly how it is. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and slap this thing into sport mode, which, as you guys see, this turns red. But if you guys saw my last video where we spoke about us removing the air suspension, I still have not gotten alignment, and at the time of me recording this video, it's literally been exactly 12 days since we changed the suspension. I still haven't gotten alignment. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, will that cause any huge problems with my car? But if it does, then I guess we'll see what happens. But you guys can see my horsepower numbers right there. You know, it's definitely not my miles per gallon, because the Camry definitely comes with the horsepower numbers on the screen. It's saying 800 wheel horsepower. But yeah, let's get straight to it. We're gonna wait for traffic. I mean, there's not really any traffic right now, so we could do a little something. But we're gonna wait till we get on the next part of this highway so we can actually make sure there's no cops. But yeah, man, how is everybody doing? Let me know how everybody's doing in the comments down below. If you guys are enjoying today, please hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And subscribe if you haven't already, because we're going to be posting a lot of POV drives. We do a whole different types of content on this page. POV drives, updates, installation videos, all that good stuff on the channel. But yeah, if you guys are liking the steering wheel that I got, if you guys want to customize your own and purchase your own, hit up KBTuning. You can go on the website, kbtuning.shop, and customize your very own steering wheel. If you guys like the ambient lighting I have in my Camry, you can get that as well for a Camry, or if you have any other car, they do sell universal kits, and you can go purchase off the website as well. But yeah, let's get straight to it. We're going to go ahead. Let me get past this little tunnel, and then I think we're going to do like a little 60 roll. But I don't know. Let's see. First, let me see how the car's feeling right now. Let me press the gas a little bit. Alright, so you guys heard how deep of a tone it has right before it hits the 3,000, but then after I go to 3,000, after 3,000 RPM, it has a really raspy. It's really raspy at 3,000 RPM, which is why I gotta put the cats back on. But yeah, man. But if you guys don't know what sport mode does in a Camry, basically what it does, not much, but it lets you rev out each gear a little bit harder, and it lets you downshift a little bit harder as well. But I don't think there's any much difference than if you don't have the sport mode in the Camry, because they only come for the 21 to 24 models and not the 18 to 20. But that's the main difference, is just it lets you downshift faster and a little bit harder as compared to if you don't have it. But let me turn on my weird windshield defroster. Man, we should have did a little something a little earlier, because now we got stuck in some traffic. But it's all good. Once we hit this next highway, which is in Mexico, we should be able to do a little something. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what types of POV drives you guys want to see. If you guys want to see a POV drive video of me just flooring it literally every second, even if there's traffic in front of me, which I don't know why you want to see that in the Camry, then just hit the like button. And if enough of you commented for me to do it, then I'll do it. But yeah, man, let's go ahead. Looks like some of it cleared up. If I let go of the wheel, this thing literally pulls to the right. The alignment is disgusting on this right now, since we just went back to stock suspension. We got a little bit of lighting, sun still out. We got maybe an hour or an hour and a half left of sunlight, which is pretty nice. It's literally only 3 o'clock too, which is absolutely insane. Alright, let's get ready to merge. You guys are gonna hear how raspy it is in a second. literally a cop just chilling right here. But hey, listen, it'll be good content if I get pulled over. It'll be funny for you guys, but not funny for me. Come on, move. Alright, we see some people breaking up ahead, so there might... Okay, some guy's flashing his brake lights, so there might be a cop right here. Why is he flashing his... There's no cop. Usually there's a cop chilling right here, but this guy just started spamming his brakes, so I thought there was a cop. Alright, let's get back to it. Yo, why's he trying to hit him? Little 2025 Camry right there. In the exact state I'm in, which if you know, you know, a lot of people don't care about the left lane rule, where if you're not passing, you don't be in the left lane. But for some reason, the left lane's clear right now, except up here. I'm on air suspension, so I don't have to worry about these bumps. If I was on air suspension, you guys would be hearing all kinds of noises right now after I hit these bumps. But being back on stock suspension, it's literally amazing. Come on, bro. You waited till you saw me, then you go. Ew, this thing is too slow, man. It's kind of embarrassing, honestly, man. But it's fine. We'll keep it in the video. And this guy just threw a little something out of the window that hit my car, but it's all good. It's all good. Here we go, man. Here we go. Don't forget that it is a Camry, guys, so literally the transmission and everything is made for economy. It's made for it to save on gas. But because it is tuned, it does help with the transmission and shifting. Raspiness gotta go, man. There is usually a cop sitting up here too, so let me just make sure. Oh yeah, but there's no cop. We're good. Got a little Hummer, okay. You can see the miles per gallon dropping like crazy every time I touch the gas. It's hilarious. Yo, I'm not gonna lie, if I was doing this with air suspension, look, if I hit this bump, the whole car would be flying right now, bro. But now that I'm on stock suspension, it literally feels like nothing. I completely forgot the feeling, man. This is crazy. Listen, I know a lot of you guys are gonna be hating in the comments, but listen, I know. I agree with you, alright? I agree with you. But damn, man, if you guys want to see some more stuff like how the car looked before it was actually, before I put it back to stock suspension, if you want to see how the car even looks, if you've never seen it before, you can go to my previous videos, or you can go on my TikTok page. I literally post everything on there as well, or my Instagram account as well. It's the same username is on here. We just hit 10K on Instagram, which is absolutely insane. So shout out to you all showing love. And yeah, the YouTube's going crazy as well. So shout out to everybody that's, you know, subscribing, liking, all that. I appreciate it, man. It really means a lot to me. But yeah, I'm gonna shut up and I'm gonna keep pressing the gas. Yo, this, like, honestly, I love stock suspension. Honestly, it's way more comfortable than air suspension. And I would have been flying right now if I was in air suspension. I would have been dead. If you guys are looking at the other side, look how much traffic there's on the other side, and look on this side. They're probably so mad that some dude in a raspy Camry is literally speeding. Or actually, I'm not speeding. I'm doing a speed limit. You know, whatever's, this is kilometers on the screen, guys. I made it say miles per hour just for, you know, the looks, to make it look like I'm going fast. But yeah, man, they're probably really mad. Like, they're all going to work, leaving work or whatever, and they see this guy just speeding. They probably think I'm having the time of my life, but really I'm like disgusted by the noise. Stop right now because there's usually a cop chilling like right in this center median right here. Let's see, is he there? Come on, show up. Nah, yo, all the spots there usually is cops, there's nobody today. It's really weird. I gotta turn on my windshield defroster, but I'm back if I let go. Alright, this spot right here is where I really want to test the suspension, because on air suspension, I feel this like crazy. Let's see how it feels. Yo, this is crazy. Hold on, let me turn on this. But yo, I didn't feel nothing. Nah, I'm not gonna lie. Listen, if you have air suspension, there's no problem with it. All I do have to say is that after having air suspension for quite a while and now remembering how it felt to be on stock suspension, that felt insane. I won't lie. Yo, that's fucking crazy, bro. I'm gonna be enjoying the stock suspension for a while. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Fuck this. Yeah, if my car is not fucked up after this drive, bro, then it's a Camry, bro. What am I saying, bro? It's a Camry. I gotta be careful of these guys because sometimes they don't know how to stay in their lane. Nah, this is crazy. I used to be driving here all the time while on air suspension, and it felt like my car was literally broken. Dude, being on that broken part of the road with stock suspension was more comfortable than air suspension on a fully smooth road, which is an absolute insane thing to say, but I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm liking stock suspension better. Looks wise, obviously air suspension takes it because you can go any ride height. If you're aired out, it looks crazy. But the ride quality is completely different. But then again, you got to pay the price if you want to look good. But to everybody who is trying to get air suspension, listen, don't get me wrong. Air suspension is still pretty comfortable. It's all right. But the bumps, when you hit bumps, you literally start, you're bouncing, bro. Like, there's been some times where my head's literally hit the roof because of me bouncing after hitting a bump. But then again, if you have air suspension, you're building a show car, you know, all that good stuff. So majority of the time, you're not really going to be driving it every day in these crazy parts like how I do. But yeah, man, if you guys are interested, listen, I am selling my air suspension. If anybody's interested, there's no problems with the kit. If you guys are interested, you can DM me on Instagram. But I gotta say, man, I'm loving stock suspension, man. I'm loving it. If you guys want to see how the car is looking right now with stock suspension and all the body kits and all the stuff I have on the car, it looks a little weird since it is not lowered. But I literally had the perfect fitment. I had amazing fitment. I had spacers on the car. I had the air suspension. It was looking nice, but we got rid of the air suspension. But it's all good, man. Let's see if this Q50 up here wants to do a little something. But probably not. He's probably just chilling. He or she. Come on. Alright, there's literally a precinct right here, so we're gonna wait till we pass this precinct and then we're gonna keep it going. But we are about to end the video, so let's do a little quick something before we end the video off. Yeah, if you guys can see, there's a little precinct right there. What's wrong with this guy? Why is he mad? Alright, let's do a quick 60 pull to end the video off. Alright, we can't do much. There's too much traffic. Too much traffic. Too much. Alright, well, listen guys, I'm sorry. Every time I try to record POV drive, there happens to always be traffic. I'm going to try to go out at a time where there isn't, you know, nobody, or a little bit less than this. But yeah, man, if you guys enjoyed the POV drive, it's been a while since we posted one, so don't forgive me if I'm a little rusty. But if you guys really like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, because that's what helps me the most to be like, yo, these guys want me to keep posting POV drives, I'm gonna keep doing it. So if you wouldn't mind, hit the sub button, hit the noties on, just make sure you never miss out on a video. But yeah, if you guys have any questions or want to see any specific types of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I love you all, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.